Hello everyone, welcome back to Check Technology, where we simplify web hosting and cPanel management for beginners. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up redirects in cPanel step by step. Why? Because redirect helps you guide your visitors automatically from one page or domain to another. This is perfect when you have moved your content or changed your URL or you are creating a new version of your website. What you're going to be learning today is 1. The difference between 301 and 302 redirects. 2. How to create and remove redirects in cPanel. 3. How to redirect to an external website. 4. We'll be sharing with you common redirect mistakes and how to fix them. And finally, security and SEO tips for redirect. So let's dive in. First of all, what is a redirect? A redirect simply means when someone visits a web address and they are automatically sent to another one. For example, if you're viewing the screen now, you'll notice that I have this diagram. And the first address up is domain.ochektechnology.com/blog. This is the address my visitors are visiting, but I am redirecting and sending them to a new part of the address, a new page, a new site, which is still on demo.ochektechnology.com, but this time it is /articles. It is a smart way to avoid broken links, and also it helps to improve your search engine optimization, which is your SEO. Like I said, there are two major redirects. You have the 301. The 301 redirect is a permanent redirect. You use this when a page or a website has been moved permanently. It tells the browser and the search engines to update the links. So the permanent one is very, very powerful for your SEO, your search engine optimization. While the 302 redirect is a temporary redirect. You use it when you are moving content for a short time or you are testing something new. You have a brand new page and you want to test it new. Now, for most cases, 301 redirects are best option for SEO. That is your permanent redirect, our best option for SEO. So now I want us to go into our cPanel and get our hands working. You log into your cPanel with your cPanel credentials. I'm logged in already. So like you always want to do, you need to scroll or you search using the search box for your redirect. So you see this is my redirect. If I click here, it takes me to my redirect page, or you could just scroll down and go to domain, and on your domain you have your redirect. So let's click and get into our redirect environment. So here's our redirect environment, and here's a form for us to fill. The first field there is our type. What type of redirect are you creating? Is it a permanent one, which is a 301, or a temporary one? For us, let's do a temporary one. And which domain, you need to select your public domain. Because my account, I have 3 or more domains in it. It's going to be having this drop down for me. So in our last video where we did our subdomain, we created a demo.ochektechnology.com, and that's the one we'll be using for our test for redirect. So here, I'm going to be putting blog. So right here, I'm going to be entering the URL again, and this time I'm using my https:/demo.ochektechnology.com, and this time I'm going to be having articles. For the redirection, I like to leave it as redirect with or without www, and the next thing we just click on add, and you can see that's giving us our results. It has been created. Let's go back, and this time we have it here. So I want us to go open another tab, and let's have our demo. So this is our demo. I did a little modification. I want us to go to our file manager so that I can show you some little things. My file manager, my public, yeah. So this was what we did the last time in our subdomain creation. We had only index, but now I created two other folders. The first folder is a blog, and that is where our redirect is taking us. We don't want our visitors to come down to blog. We want them to go to article. And what did I do? Inside my blog, I have my index.html, which will have just a little write-up that we are here, and this is my article. Same thing. So you could want to do the same for yourself, but this is just for test purpose. So in my index, which is the one we are viewing now, this, nothing fancy, just give an h2 welcome to your subdomain, and I have an href link asking our people to click on this, go to our blog site. So once you click on this, it should take us to our article page, and this is our article page. What do we have here? Say we are redirected to your article page. So this was expected to display there against what will be in our blog page. Initially, this is what is in our blog page. This is your blog page. But in our article, we are redirected to our article page. So let's see what will happen when we click on blog site. And then if you come down to the bottom here, you can see that it is pointing to domain.uchetechnology/blog at the bottom here. So once we click on it, you see we are redirected to our article page, and look at the top here, we are having /articles. So it means this is working. Now when we are done redirecting, and since this is a temporary redirect, and we are done testing, it is always advisable to delete your redirects. I will want to show you something else now. Should in case you want to do it to point to another website, another domain, when we are here, either you choose your permanent or your temporary, you choose your domain, and then let's say use blog. Then when you now come down here, we can redirect it directly to uchetechnology.com, which is different domain from this, and then we add it. And once we add it, it takes us directly to Uchek Technology. That is, if you're moving it, you're pointing it to another website. So once you are done and you want to take down this redirect, you just come here and you click, and it asks to remove the redirect. Then you want to go back to confirm, and it's no longer there. Before we wrap this tutorial for today, I would like to share some common mistake and professional tips. Now here are some common mistakes and helpful tips for you. Mistake 1, forgetting the HTTPS in your destination URL. Make sure you always include your HTTPS : in your address before submitting that form. Mistake number 2, creating multiple redirects that loops back to each other. This can cause redirect errors. You are careful to know where you are pointing it to, so that they don't become a loop that causes error. Mistake 3, using temporary redirect for long-term change. Your temporary redirect is for a short period. Majorly is for test purpose. Else you use your permanent in order to get your SEO, synchronizes your link, and help not to have breaking links. What are the professional tips I have for you? Always use 301 redirect for SEO stability. 2, test your redirect on both desktop and mobile browser. The last one, keep a record of redirects when changing site structures. And that is it. You have just learned how to set up and manage redirect in cPanel. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials from Uchek Technology. See you in our next lesson. Keep mastering cPanel. Thank you.